Mai ku koi na ta mi ton channel khariu laudare asai April tarik tamru kum singne na treat na charuk the Gaanphiu Mail Tamenglong local newspaper king in Sam the ko in fall April tarik treat na chakyu Assam rifle rated kan me sang nai lung khao civil society leaders Khadni state government ay interact suna Manipur khao patba may security situation lam khao kapian kariu kan the Assam rifle officials re April 3 na tachat nung tai United Naga Council delegation president NG Lorho re sai me team ta Jawala Mukhi garrison Larongching Senapati district khao ariu kan the meeting kariu kan me khao tai in taw lat lunai ba me lam khao kapian kan ne kumna Assam rifle officials kani UNC biak thangre the buitia khao chu sang mai wangda nu puni tu mai lam khao idea share su kane tu na cham de ri ti thai kane mi khao ta Assam rifles re community go account security high in chamna tilau puni tu na sa kane kumna lat kai ba mai hai pari ra lana loinu mai lam ni kapian kane Sisipur April 3 na chakyu Churachandpur khawba mai Jomi Group Central Village Defense Force na kaw mai pomroi ti thai kan me kha Jomi operational areas kaw indigenous tribal leaders forum women wings tong ngamma ge tu na sakane CVDF tongpri statement dipat kan me kaw ITLF women's wing roi never forget 3rd May to my sticker high 3rd May separation day ta chakhwang sumai suna zwanba mai ta nuni mak mai indaw na sakan tonge Jomi relung mai area nun kaw hai ITLF tong authority ma ge khani Jomi tong jurisdiction kaw kan yu da recognize to mage to na sakani Jomi area kaw ITLF re activity tat kai tuang nai thai mi tai charai tung interest de to na mi tai Jomi authority da direct challenge su tuang de to na lap ni to na di thai kane Tamenglong April 3 na chakyu Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Valare April 3 na chakyu Wednesday kaw pau Sankar Kani Vidyalaya tong building kathan Hawaii long Tamenglong district khao integrate sulau kan the school building kathan tai North Eastern Council Ministry of Donors re fund sulau mai bangkhao tan kan tongi school tai Purva Sima Vikas Pratishthan bangkhao kum singnai na chikyu khao tai re ka hau kan tongi governor re students teachers kani dignitaries koi khao mitwang mung ka sau tau mai khao nei la mai indau kane governor de kapum ka hagwang na inaugurate sukhang sulau tungi tikiting na isi mezang re virtual mode khao re school building ka than tai inaugurate sudat kan tongi Infal April 3 na chikyu Manipur government re assembly election February kum singnai na na Chennai khao tat kai mak mai ma khao home department tong vacant posting ta chat in bu high field sukhang recruitment tat kai khang plan subam the tu na sakane official chamthai line department azu khao ching ta chat phai khat ru vacancies hai nai ba meta April kum singnai na chru khao roi thai pat bam thi recruitment kan ki nai me post pang khau tai Manipur police khang chingnai phai secure Manipur rifles khang chingthum khani village defense force khang chingkhat hai ka nai bam thi tuna sa ka nei vacancies nun tai police wireless khau phai padai ringu post CIDs special branch khau phai nai jail phai kha rik the chat khani fire services khau phai nai tamru post hai vacancy bam thi tuna sa ka nei excise chung commissioner office cham thelaina recruitment hai phai thum ringu na the chat contractual post inspector sub-inspector constable LDCs kani drivers kang March kum singne na chru khautai recruit suni maitan ka haukan chongthi tuna sakane mi hai Manipur khala lu inthang mangna ba mi hai re security ka ge na inbu ba melung khau plan sukan chonge Infal April 3 na chakyu security forces tong separate operations kaw kangpu pi khani Ukrul district khoroi illegal bunkers route na kanai suragan kan the tuna police tong cham deri ti thai kane police tong official statement thailina Lungtar Hill khaw bunkers kathum surakane khani tingpi bung le Lipland village cycle police station kangpu district khoroi bunker akhat surakane tuna sakane operation tat kaikan me khawtai Litan police station area Ukrul district khawni bunker chanai suragan kane tuna police tong cham de ri ti thai kane none April 3 na chakyu Longmai bazar port tong kum singnai na na churuk khawre kum singnai na tamru na kha tenure khang joint leadership Longmai none district khaw April 3 na chakyu nong kasiam dat kan the joint leaders zero administrative affairs kane development activities koi zawsin bam khange joint leadership member na chakyu ri kasiam kan me khautai gailung gang mai ta chairman ka than suna ka pa laudat kan the gailan chung ka mai ta re secretary khang ka pa lo kani Zawzian Thai Rongmei ta rui treasurer di Sinchui Dang mai ta rui joint secretary kumna agui ka mai ta secretary information and publicity khang ka pa lo kan the Tamenglong ting nai luan gin ki bu tarik tamru kum singne na churuk lau chuan ting riu puni kalan ting sin ting rai na ye singbang ting riu puni มาเลี้ยงบูตริขาดกุมสิงในนจุยนจรุกเล่าชวนจิงริวปุนีกาลานติงสินติงไรนาเยสิงบังติงริวปุนีไม่คือกวยนากิงจุยในกิงเราไม่ขังตาชวนกูไม่อินดาวเวอาศัยกันทูจอมให้เขาเริงงานเราเทอินชวนควงรูมาคายเกเมกันรุยกิงอินซับเดลโคชวนกูเท